In the men's section, do y'all see this gunkle? I am weak. Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going thrift shopping, and I'm going to be looking for some materials for some products I have in mind. You might see them as some DIYs coming soon. I cannot talk today, as you can see. And we are going to hit 2 Goodwills, 1 Salvation Army, and I think there was one more, but I can't remember what it is. But that is the plan for today, and I'm going to take y'all along with me. So the first stop is Salvation Army. If y'all don't know, we have Amish in our area. So they usually drive these black buggies with the bicycle lights on them. They're usually being pulled by a horse. Here, but we found some stuff. Now we're heading to the boys section. Yay! Finished at Salvation Army, and I found some stuff, but there wasn't really too much. I just want to warn y'all, if this is boring, it's because I film everything myself when I'm going thrift shopping, because I'm usually by myself. So just a heads up, that's why this may be boring, but y'all should definitely stay tuned until the end, because I'm going to show you everything that I got and where I got it from at the end. And so now we're going to head to one of the Goodwills. So this Goodwill is the one that's like 5 minutes from the 3 minutes from the Salvation Army. I live between these two, and so we're gonna check out the Dover Goodwill right now. And I'm excited because I've never been in here, and I just recently found it when I did the dollar store DIY challenge. Right now I'm looking at these different curtains and tablecloths and stuff, like this material to put over a pair of jeans, or use it to make a dream catcher, or you can make a skirt out of this, like a long boho skirt. I just found my Goodwill spot. It's right next to me, and oh my god, y'all, I found the best materials there. I can't wait to show you at the end of this video. Definitely come back to this Goodwill. And now we're gonna head to the Camden Goodwill, where I used to go when I was a kid. So let's go. Hey Ranger buddy, what? So now we're at the Camden Goodwill, and this is the Goodwill that I've always gone to, because right next to it is the China buffet that we used to go to as kids. But I'm not gonna eat there. But yeah, I'm excited to see what they have here. Love and love. Alright, I'm done thrift shopping for now. So I'm going to go meet up with my family and get some lunch. And then I'm going to go head home and probably start on making y'all a DIY video. Or figure out, yeah, I'll probably end up making a DIY video or a fashion video for y'all. So, let's go eat. I found some really good stuff, by the way. I think I'm going to make a pair of boho shorts. So, I'm excited for that. But yes, we're going to go eat now. So we're back in my place, and so now I'm going to show you everything that I got, because I promised y'all that. And we ended up going to Applebee's, in case I forgot to put that in there. And yeah, so let's get this started. We are going to start with Goodwill, Dover Goodwill. Nope, I lied. We're going to start with Camden Goodwill. And I ended up getting different fabrics. I got 4 of these kind of table mat fabrics. And I'm going to use these different ones. And I have more of this. And this lace liner fabric, whatever it's called. And we're going to try to make some boho shorts. And I think it's going to be really cute. I'm so excited to start that. And then I end up getting, I think it's an overall dress. So I got a denim dress, and we are going to kind of customize it. And basically I'm thinking of revamping outfits, and some of these I'm using in other videos that I have thought about doing. We have the Hawaiian shirt. And I'm totally holding this wrong. We got the Hawaiian shirt. I think it's cute and super girly, even though it was in the men's section. I got another Hawaiian shirt, neon orange, because who doesn't love bright colors? And the last thing I got was this pair of Arizona shorts. And I'm debating if I want to keep them like this or do something to the back pocket. So that was the Camden Goodwill. Now I'm going to stick all this back in the bag and go to the next one. So the second bag is Wally World. I did not tell you, but I ended up going to Wally World while waiting for my family to go eat. And I just had to pass time, and I ended up finding more stuff that I needed for my DIY projects. So we have this elastic braided band that I could use for the shorts. I got these stencils because I don't own any, neither do I know how to write in cursive. I am self-taught and it looks really bad, so I needed stencils. I got some extra string. I have this seashell mix for a DIY project that I'm going to try to do soon. I'm really excited for that one. To go with it, I end up getting this coralish pink lace and this light blue lace. And I got some safety pins. And I got these beach charms for my DIY project. So that was in the Wally World bag. I'm going to stick all this back in. And then we're going to go to the Dover Goodwill bag. So this is the biggest bag that I have, and to start with, I got this lace material. These are from the curtain section, but we're going to use them to not hang up curtains. We're going to make clothes out of them. And it has like this floral kind of design. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yes, I'm very excited. And I got kind of the same thing, but in this color too. Semi-different design, but same layout kind of. And then I have this material, this greenish material. As I said, this is all like from the curtain section. which I'm not going to use it for curtains because I don't own. I have blinds instead. And it's just a cute little green. And, oh, I lied. We have one more curtain. We have this one that I could use as a liner for something or underneath. I thought about maybe making a skirt using this and the green. Thought that would look cute. Something like a flowy skirt for the summer. And then lastly, I have this sweater with moose and bear and foxes. I saw it and I was like, I had to have it. I just had to have it. I think it's like the cutest thing ever, and I'm probably gonna wear it on Monday because I want to wear it. But let's stick everything back in the bag. Then we're gonna go to our last store, which was Salvation Army. Store was Salvation Army, and wow, these bags are loud. I ended up getting more clothes than material. I got these shorts that I thought were cute and beachy that I could wear if I end up like going to the ocean or something. I just thought they were cute. And I still have to try everything on because I just don't like trying stuff on at stores. And then I got this Phantom of the Opera. If y'all not know, I watched the movie like my whole senior year in French and junior year because we were watching it to learn it. And I'm going to make this into something, a different kind of t-shirt. I ended up getting this Ford t-shirt because y'all know Ford is my brand. And I just needed this shirt. And I think there's two more things. So I ended up finding these Galaxy leggings that are pink and purple and blue, 3 of my favorite colors. And I had to get them, like, who doesn't need another Galaxy pair of leggings? And the last thing that I got in was this Beatles t-shirt. Yep, and it's just white and regular, and I just thought it was cute. I might have to do something to it, but yeah. I'm very excited for it. But let me put this all back in the bag. So this was my thrift shop adventure today. I ended up going to Wally World, 2 Goodwills, and a Salvation Army. Comment below if y'all go thrift shopping and what y'all like to thrift shop for. And yeah, that's actually all I have for today. And if y'all like another one of these thrift shop videos, I'll probably have somebody with me where they can like be more interactive and film and stuff. So if y'all like this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what y'all want to see, what you like the thrift shop for, if you want to see another one of these videos. And I'll see y'all again next week.